Channel, where several lakhs of both countrymen and people from foreign lands every day disembark to come into the city of their love. However, this 2,313 feet long connecting suspension-type balanced cantilever and truss arch bridge, one of the 6 bridges of its kind in the world, mesmerizes all of us. Designed by Triton and after the new Howrah Bridge Act was amended in 1935, this bridge was constructed by Braithwaite, Byrne and Joseph Construction and was made open for people on February 3, 1943. In view of the increasing traffic across the Hooghly River, a committee was appointed in 1855-56 to review alternatives for constructing a bridge across the River Hooghly, and in 1870 the Calcutta Port Trust was founded and the Legislative Department of the then Government of Bengal passed the Howrah Bridge Act in the year 1871. Eventually, a contract was signed with Sir Bradford Leslie to construct a pontoon bridge. Different parts were constructed in England and shipped to Calcutta, where they were assembled. The assembling period was fraught with problems. The bridge was considerably damaged by the Great Cyclone on 20th March 1874. As the bridge could not handle the rapidly increasing load, the Port Commissioners started planning in 1905 for a new improved bridge. And thus comes the Howrah Bridge, a bridge that does not have nuts and bolts, but was formed by riveting the whole structure. It consumed 26,500 tons of steel, out of which 23,000 tons of high tensile alloy steel, and the Kolkata Port Trust is vested with the maintenance of the bridge. Renamed as Rabindra Setu on 14th of June 1965 after the name of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, today more than 300,000 vehicles and 450,000 pedestrians cross the bridge. The bridge that makes us, the Indians, feel proud.